2004 Honda CRV again, and today we're just going to be changing out the air filter. I'm planning on doing the tune-up, so go ahead and do the subscribe button so you can see the tune-up. I'm going to be changing out the CV axle, the front knuckle, and a few other things, brakes. So hit that subscribe button. You guys can follow along while I'm doing that. But today, something a little simple, easy. We're just taking an 8mm, and we're just opening up all the screws so that we can open this up and replace the filter over here. I ordered this Bosch one off of Amazon. I'll put the link down there, and wasn't expensive, so we'll put that in. So first we're going to take the screws out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and yep, I think it's just 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Yep. All right, so it turned to a little bit more than what I thought it was going to be. So you see how you have these rusted screws down here? This one right here was completely rusted off. I couldn't get anything on it. It just broke away. So I had to drill that one out in order to get that one off. But what I also did was take a 10mm over here, got that off, and then just squeeze this together and move that back. And so now, I don't know when was the last time anybody been in here to change this filter, but we'll see what it looks like together. All right, there we go. Move this back for you guys. There we go. All right, there we go. And there it is. That was long overdue. Look at that. That's filthy. Your air filter should never look like that. All right, so now we can put a nice new one down up in here. And we'll put the box back on. There's a rubber ring down here. This is the one I had to drill out right here in order to get it. That's what it looks like right there. All right, so now put that back in there. Like that. On. There we go. All right, and now we'll just need to tighten back up our bolts. Put this back on over here, tighten this 10mm back down, and that's it. That's how you change out the air filter on your 2004 Honda CRV. And I'm going to be doing a tune-up soon, a bunch of other things, so hit that subscribe button, and go ahead and hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.